Hi friends, this is Srinivas. Welcome to my channel. How to build your positive thinking. Before I'm going to start this video, I want to ask a few questions to you. It's very important questions. But these questions you have to ask yourself. No need to answer to anyone, just ask yourself. Do you know your positive thinking level? Here there are 5 powerful principles to build your positive thinking. Why I'm saying it powerful? Yes, it's so powerful. If you apply these 5 principles to your life, it will change your life. I'm saying it will change your life. The first principle, start the day with a positive affirmation. You know what it means? Most of the people, we talk to ourselves, maybe in some situation in a day, but which very sure, I know that. But how many of you talking to yourself in a positive way? And how many of you, while you wake up in the morning, by appreciating yourself, it's very, very important, it makes good impact on your daily life. I'm very sure I'm saying this because already it's proved in many universities on students. When you wake up in the morning, go to the mirror, stand in front of the mirror and talk to yourself. But it should be more effective, it should be more powerful, and it should be you have to trust yourself. You have to believe yourself first that when you're saying some words, it should be come from heart, not from your mouth. It's very important. Affirmations are very powerful. It releases from your negativity, worry, and anxiety. When you repeat this over and over continuously, it changes your pattern of thinking. It changes your thoughts. Slowly change the way of thinking and start your life. We use affirmations in a different phase. Every day in the morning, after you wake up in the bed, straight go to the mirror. Initially it looks silly, but later you realize it's working. It's very sure I'm saying. Positive affirmations are very important in our lives, everyone's lives. See, a student write an exam to pass, not to fail. He will always say inside that, I will do best. That is what affirmations. I will tell some affirmations like, I'm so grateful. I love myself. I'm so courageous. I'm a powerful creator. I will achieve what I plan today. I will finish the interview. I will going to write an exam. Awesome. I have all the strength. Need to succeed. I believe in my dreams. I won't stop until they become real. I will achieve my goal. So these are the affirmations like you must believe yourself. You must trust yourself. You must say with confidence from your heart. The second one, make your mind calm and peaceful. Make your mind calm and peace. How many of you in a day, when you wake up in the morning, sorry to ask again question, but it's very important. How many of you, when you wake up in the morning, you will hold your mobile and open your messages? At the situation, your mind will go with different levels. You know why? Because maybe the one message was the good message, the other one gave a negative message. So what will happen when you're seeing this all the messages? Your brain will functioning in a different levels, especially in the morning. So that is the situation, that is the time you're going to impact your brain. So why can't you spend a few 5 minutes there to make your mind so active and refreshed your entire day? Just don't see your mobile, put aside and just go your activity, what you makes you so peaceful. Like some they will do yoga and some they will do meditation, some they will do jogging, some they will do workout, there are some they will listen music. So what you feels for you to make your mind calm and peace. And especially in the morning, try to be silent. Don't raise your voice. Try to be very silent. See, this is everything what you're doing in the morning, it's carry forward to your entire day. So that's what's very important. Most of the people, they're doing right now meditation yoga because it's the wonderful impact to the brain, especially in the morning. So based on your interest, based on your mindset, so try to find something to make your mind peaceful and calm. It's very important to you. It's very, very, very important to our life. Each and every day. Otherwise, do one thing. While you wake up in the morning, just put something in front of you which makes you peace. See, so some they will see the beach, some they will see some pictures. It also makes her mind was so peaceful and calm to make yourself from the stress, to relieve from the stress. It's very important. This second principle also. Third principle: spend time with positive people. But when you're applying this to your life, first I want to know: are you positive? Do you have positive qualities in you? It's very important, because we are spending with positive people, right? We are going to spend with the positive people, but they also want to take something from us. Yes or no? Because you are inspiring by someone, but behind you there are some people who are inspired from you. So always try to be the positive people, so that will change your mindset. Try to take something from the people. Try to learn something from the people. And one more thing I want to say. If native people wants to approach you, ignore it. If they want to interact you and intervene you every time, ignore it. Because compared to positive, native will impact a lot to your brain. Be blind, deaf and dumb when you with native people. Simple. The fourth principle: always try to be in a positive environment. First, I want to suddenly I got a question actually in my mind. So, how many of you in your room, on your wall, do you have positive things like some positive quotations, some pictures which makes you inspire positive things? Because you're staying more time in your room, right? So, if your room not giving a positive energy to you, then how can your inside your room will give a positive energy? Do you understand my point? Put something which makes you positive on your wall, because you it makes impact. It makes more impact. Even there are some places which gives more positive impact. Like if you go like some yoga centers, some meditation centers, and if you go some speeches which is given by the great people, always try to be in a positive environment and try to create that environment around you. Like if you're going somewhere, you're traveling somewhere, based on how you show your positiveness, the surrounding people they will turn, they will change. Watch the video which makes you more powerful, which improves your confidence level, which builds your strength. That's important. So like in the same way, the place where you're going, any place which gives you more impact to brain, which gives you more positive environment, choose the place. Try to visit the place many times. What will happen? So what your build, your confidence level is going to increase. Your positive thinking it will increase automatically. The fifth principle, this is the one of the most important principle, because it's easily impact your brain. That's what I'm saying. It's everyone's lives. It impact even my life. I always say I want to follow this principle. Otherwise, it's turned my life in another way. Never argue with the wrong people. Yes. If you met a guy, you met a person, some native thinking or something like some different thing which makes you so irritated, first try to be silent. Don't argue with these people. You will come to know already this person was off knowledge guy, this person off knowledge person. Don't talk. Just kept quiet and silent. Because when you keep on saying something on these people, when they apply to you in native way, it's impact your brain for 3 to 1 week. Because of the wrong person, your 1 week plan will be spoiled. So are you ready to spoil your plan because of some wrong person? And one more thing, when you reply to that person and when he says something, and it will impact your confidence level. When you meet a wrong native people, just blind, deaf and dumb. It's a great technique. So never argue with wrong people. It's very important. It's disturb you a lot and it's irritate you. So my conclusion is, if you apply these 5 principles to your life, in a few weeks, you will see a lot of changes. You will see a lot of consequences in your life. Trust me. So please watch this video, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for all your lovable support. This is Srinivas once again and signing off. And thank you from the heart. Thanks a lot.